Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales forecasting in HubSpot CRM detailed guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your HubSpot CRM account. On the main dashboard, navigate to the Sales tab in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Forecast. You will be directed to the Forecasting tool page. Here, click on the Settings icon located in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, you will see several options to customize your sales forecast. First, define your forecasting method based on your sales cycle. You can choose between best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios. Next, scroll down to set your forecast dates. Specify the start and end dates for the forecasting period. After that, adjust the revenue goals for each sales rep or team. Locate the Edit Goals button and enter the revenue targets. You can also assign quotas for specific timeframes, like monthly or quarterly. Now, navigate to Forecast Categories. Here, categorize your deals into pipeline stages. You can select from predefined stages or create custom ones. Moving on, review the deal properties that will influence your forecast. Ensure that you have accurate fields for deal amount, close date, and probability. Then, enable the Include Closed Deals option if you want them factored into forecasts. Next, return to the main forecast page to view your data. Here, you can analyze trends over time and gauge your team's performance. Utilize the Filters section to customize which data points to display. For deeper insights, click on individual deals to review their status. Periodically revisit your forecast settings to ensure alignment with your sales strategy. Make adjustments as necessary, especially after significant changes in your sales process. Once everything is set, regularly monitor the forecast for any updates. Encourage your team to engage with the forecasting tool for ongoing accuracy. By following these steps, you can effectively configure sales forecasting in HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.